What's up, y'all? It's your favorite hairstylist bestie. It's your girl iamashleyjay, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I got this flawless curly install right before my vacation. And y'all, I only paid $80 for this wig from Amazon. They ate with this one. I ain't gonna even hold you. They ate with this one, y'all.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad.
So y'all, this is the wig the next day. In the previous video, you saw me bleach the knots and all of that. So I'm just gonna show you the inside of the wig. It has two combs on the side, one at the top and the bottom, y'all. I do not like the combs inside of wigs. The only one I keep is the bottom at the nape of the neck. So yeah, I'm finna just cut these combs out. They snag my hair and I just don't like it. So I'm gonna go in with my boho skin protect because I already did my ball cap from a previous wig install. So if y'all want to see how I do my ball cap, just let me know in the comments below and I can work that out for y'all. Y'all know. Whatever y'all ask for, ask and you shall receive. Okay, period. So I'm just going to dab the skin protect on and we're just going to get right into it, y'all. What I like about, I have 50 million thousand wigs, but I just like putting on new wigs because cutting the lace for the first time, I don't know, it just gives me a whole like different feel. So y'all, this wig was big head friendly because your girl got a big head and it is what it is, okay? So I'm just measuring it out, making sure I do not, cut it too short. And I had to cut so now I'm just going to cut out my ear tabs. It was difficult trying to cut the ear tabs. It was a struggle. And y'all, I actually cut too much. I end up cutting my little sideburns, but it's okay. We're going to finagle that in the end, okay? So yeah, once we cut the ear tabs, we're just going to go right in with this install. Again, I'm using boho. This is the... I can't think. Let me see what kind of glue. This is actually the boho active. So yeah, like I can't use no other glue but boho. Like I'm not trying Ghost Bond. I'm not trying to even boho me, please. Okay, that's I'm gonna stick beside it. So y'all, I'm gonna go in with 3 layers of glue. And as y'all know or may not know, if you're new to the wig industry, you have to let the glue dry in between each layer. So this is my second layer. You see the glue is almost white. So yeah, now you can go on with your second layer. And it's almost time for me to re-up on that glue. But, because I've been putting on wigs back to back, y'all. Okay, I love that for me. Like, I'm usually a closure girl, but the frontal's been eating lately because I can sleep in my wigs. And I don't have to worry about, putting it on and off. So I've been loving that for me. So it's almost time to re-up on some glue. So now that the third layer is dry, it's time to lay the lace. Y'all, like I said, this wig was big head friendly. And so, yeah, I had to cut. You know how, like, some people might have an eddy. So, it's like the wig had an eddy. So, I had to cut that extra piece off in the front. So, that's why I look a little flicked in the front. And the edges of the wig was very thick. I didn't pluck it as much as I should have. But don't worry, just stay to the end because I promise you it's gonna come together, okay, girl? So now I'm just combing all that glue in, taking my time, laying the lace. I go from side to side. I am definitely not giving arrogance, hey, yeah, or the girls who know how to just, but I'm getting there, okay? Just stick beside it. I'm getting there. So yeah, y'all see that little piece? I told y'all I had cut too much of my ear tab. Yeah, that's it. So once I get the wig laid down, y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig band on it. And I don't know if y'all be on TikTok, but your girl E. said to let the wig band sit on for an hour. So that's exactly what I'm about to go do. I'm going to put my wig band on And I'm going to do my lashes, as y'all can see, because I'm bald at the eyes right now. So when I come back with lashes on, that's why. Because I put this band on for an hour and just let that glue and that lace melt into my skin. So, yeah. So, yeah, I attempted to blow dry it because I don't have a sit under dry. So, I attempted to blow dry it. But if you're going to blow dry it, just make sure you blow dry it on cool, not hot. So, I end up going, I press the little cool button, as y'all can see. And I go back and forth between the cool shot and the warm just to give it a little mixture. But you don't want to do just straight hot. And then I'm going to push all that back with my hot comb just because I told y'all the wig was getting thick in the front. So, I had to do some plucking. So, I wanted to push everything back so I can see, how much I needed to pluck or not. So, y'all, I let the band, like I told y'all, I let it sit on for an hour. Dang, I still ain't got no lashes on. Okay. Anyway, so now let me just cut the rest of the lace off. And, yeah, let's just finish washing because I don't know what's after this. So after I cut the lace, put the band back on, now y'all can see I did my lashes. Okay, period. I also got them from Amazon. And it's very much giving melted, period. Y'all already know. So now I'm finna go in and just pluck it, y'all. I like plucking with the wig on my head already. Just because I can just see where I need to pluck. But it is a little bit difficult. And, you know what I'm saying, plucking is very time consuming. And, y'all, I was about to get ready to go to my trip. And I was trying my best to be on time. So I didn't have time to just pluck it, as good as I wanted to. So now I'm finna just section out me some baby hairs. I'm going for as y'all seen at the beginning of the video, it's going to be like a no part look. So I did add me some baby hair. Yeah. Y'all know how the girls be doing, like tying their baby hairs under their chin. Yeah, period. So then I'm going to just part them out on the side. Y'all, I told y'all I cut my earpiece too short. So I just had to over part those baby hairs on the side and just cover it up. But, give it a little shink the ding, baby. You going to be good to go. Trust me. So, yeah, now I'm finna just flatten out my baby hair with my hot comb. I mean, that's not necessary, but I be seeing the girls do it, so I'm going to do it too. Because I'm also going to curl them. So, yeah, just make sure y'all keep watching. All right, so now we don't put the band back on, y'all. I feel like I put that band on 50 times. But now it's time to cut the baby hair. Of course, I'm going to go in with an eyebrow razor just because you don't want your baby hair to be straight across. You want it to give like a little jagged, natural look. So I went in with my eyebrow razor. That wasn't working. It did get some hair off, but I was pressed for time. Let's just go in with the scissors. But as you can see, I'm still going to go in with a downward motion, not straight across. So, yeah, I'm just going to cut all my baby hairs, as y'all can see. And then I'm just going to go in, curl my baby hairs, swoop them down with some mousse. And then, yeah. So y'all went ahead and got dressed. Like I told y'all, I was pressed for time. This was Friday. We was about to get ready to go. But I was trying to decide whether I was going to do the no part, side part, or a middle part. So I'm just flicking everything back to just kind of see what the edges was giving. Because, y'all, as you can see, I could have did it either way. And so it gave very much flip over. So now I'm going to put a little makeup on the lace. But I should have went with a darker shade. Because you can see I was getting the makeup on the wig. So it was giving ashy. So make sure you're going with a darker shade of makeup than your skin color, because that's going to help it blend better, okay? So then I'm going to mold the actual weave with this edge booster mousse. First I'm going to slip my baby hair again, because I actually plucked those out so they wasn't that thick. So I don't know if y'all was talking about me before, but yeah, no, I wasn't not going to leave them that thick. I plucked them some more, and now I'm going to just swoop them back down with some edge booster mousse. So once I finish doing my edges, I'm just going to define the actual wig, bring my curls back, and I'm going to go in with my spray bottle and the mousse to just define and pop the curls. So just wait. Just look and see how they just forming as I continue to spray and drench them with water. And y'all know curly wigs be having frizz, so I'm going to go on my cheese silken serum and rub that all over there just to, like I said, eliminate frizz and give me some shine. So I'm just going to rub all of that over while it's still wet. You can put serum on your hair wet or dry. So, yeah, that's a little tip for the girls. And, y'all, look how the wig is coming together. I'm going to put a little bit more mousse, though. I'm going to put a little bit more mousse just because I feel like, you know, the curls can pop a little bit more, especially in the front. When you be doing all that plucking and manipulating, you need extra mousse in the front. So I'm going to do a little finger coil. I didn't have time to finger coil the whole head because, like I told y'all, we was pressed for time. So, yeah, the look is coming together. Again, more mousse. You can never do too much mousse with curly hair. Like, that's what I love about it. It's so easy to maintain. And then for the finishing touches, y'all, I'm going to go in with this Afro G polishing gloss. That's just going to give me even more shine, because you can just never have too much shine. Like, you want them to see the hair coming from a mile away. So, yeah, this is the finished look, y'all. Let me know what it's giving in the comments. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. They ate with this one. I ain't gonna even hold you. They ate with this one, y'all. So, yeah, enough chit-chat because I'm actually running late. Y'all finna go on vacation, like I said. So, let me know what it's giving in the comments. It's a 22-inch, y'all, but it ain't really giving in 22-inch, but it still eats. Period.